Chexpass is the new contactless visitor check-in system built by Bchex, and it solves a problem most organizations don't realize they have. The moment a visitor walks past the front desk, paper logs and manual sign-ins stop being reliable. There's no accurate record of who is actually on site. Chexpass replaces that entire process with a real-time system that shows you exactly who's in your building the moment they arrive without slowing anyone down. Chexpass supports kiosk check-in, tablet check-in, or a contactless check-in using a visitor's own device. There's no required hardware, which makes it easy to deploy across different locations without complex setup. With our platform, workflows are completely customizable. You can decide exactly what steps are included, whether that's a selfie, ID scanning, sex offender and security watch list checks, or even just logging a visitor's information. Once the workflow is set up, the system automatically generates a QR code. That QR code can be shared anywhere, by email, on your website, printed at the front desk, or sent ahead of time so visitors can check in before they arrive. When they arrive on site, they simply scan the QR code again, and their visit time is instantly recorded. It's fast, flexible, and designed to keep check-ins seamless. Organizations can create different check-in experiences based on visitor type, location, or purpose of visit. That means guests, vendors, parents, and contractors can each follow a workflow that fits their needs, all within the same platform. As visitors check in, Chexpass sends real-time alerts to the appropriate staff. Notifications can be delivered by email or text message, so the right people are informed immediately when someone arrives without needing to monitor a front desk. Chexpass also includes a full notification module that allows organizations to communicate directly with visitors. Text messages can be sent to visitors who enter through the front door, whether it's to share instructions, directions, or next steps. For environments that need it, Chexpass supports kiosk mode and on-demand badge printing. Badges can be printed at check-in, helping staff quickly identify visitors while they're on site. Inside the platform, teams can see who is currently on site, review visitor activity, and track entries and exits in real time. Everything is logged automatically, creating a clear and reliable record of visitor activity without manual effort. Chexpass makes visitor check-ins more efficient and easier to manage. It provides a flexible way to manage visitors from the moment they arrive. Try Chexpass for free today and see how easy visitor check-in can be.